Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am. I have friends.
Okay, so do you know which place they were designated?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you always remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Are you?
yes?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because Malaysia is my safe country, ma'am.
Safe country. Okay, so our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Ayan Villegas Suarez. I am 29 years old and I live in Hacienda Teresita, EB Magalona, Negros Occidental, Philippines. And I am 29 years old. My religion is Roman Catholic. And I have two sons and one daughter. My mother took care of my children.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you. Are you single or married?
Single mom.
Single mother or single with live-in partner?
Single with live-in partner.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is December 29, 1995.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'4" and weight for 60.
Okay, so what is your educational background? Are you elementary graduate, high school graduate?
High school graduate, ma'am.
You mentioned that you got 3 children, and according to your profile, you have a 11 years old, 4 years old, and 10 months old baby, right?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
So do you think you can finish your 2 years contract knowing that you have a 10 months old baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your children later?
My mother, ma'am.
Okay, how old is your mother and what is her occupation?
My mother occupation is farmers, ma'am.
How old is she?
50 years old, ma'am.
What about your live-in partner? How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
Construction worker po.
And how old is he?
30 years old.
Sorry?
30 years old, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother, ma'am, and one sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Second, ma'am.
Is your live-in partner allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
So we don't have any problem later.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. No problem, ah?
Yes, ma'am. No problem, ma'am.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in the Philippines way back 2019 to 2024 as a housemaid. Is it stay-in maid?
Yes, ma'am.
So you worked there for how many years?
5 years, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Manila po.
Manila. So can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Manila?
My duties is like cooking, sometimes washing, ironing, and all around housemaid.
Did you take care any children inside the house?
I take care, yes ma'am, I take care of children except for a newborn baby.
So you take care in Manila for 5 years in your previous employer, a newborn. Is it a newborn that
Pa-
you take care?
yes ma'am.
Newborn
I,
baby.
no ma'am, no.
So what is it, ate? You work for 5 years in Manila, you do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Relax ka nga lang, relax. Ulit. 11 years old ma'am.
So it's not newborn, it's 11 years old kid.
Yes ma'am.
Okay, after 2024 and until recently, you are a full-time mother or you have any working experience?
No ma'am.
So you are a full-time
All,
mother.
yes ma'am.
What will you do if you miss your children? How will you gonna fight your homesickness?
I'm calling ma'am
You were
after
calling.
work.
Okay, so you cannot
Yes.
simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family or you miss your children. No such a thing because you will sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes ma'am. I understand ma'am.
Being a domestic helper, most especially for those first timer, is a very very tough job. Okay,
Yes
you need
ma'am.
to be flexible and you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, I'm ready ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Children only ma'am.
Baby, no.
No ma'am. Yes.
Can you take your elderly people?
Yes ma'am.
Can you cook?
Cook ma'am. Yes.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes ma'am.
Okay, usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes ma'am. I understand ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's okay. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want. You can be the boss there. You can be so stubborn and rude, but don't bring here in Malaysia, okay? We need to humble
Yes.
ourselves and we need to respect the employer at the same time. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
Yes ma'am.
Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer. Yeah?
Yes ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Thank
much
you
and have a
so.
good day.
Thank
Okay,
you
bye.
ma'am.
Okay.
Cynthia, Cynthia.